We're at Ancientwood shop today. We're looking at a new tabletop, approximately 80 inches long, 40 inches wide. It's a MegaCurl top with epoxy inlays with stones to mimic a lake bed if you were going for a swim. And this has got cool, it's kind of fooling the camera. I can see in my picture the iridescence in this wood. Sometimes the digital cameras don't like it, but it is a fantastic piece. It's shimmering from one side to the other, from end to end. There's some stones, some beach glass. It's all flat. There are some filled cracks. Bit of drama in this top. Super cool. Very beautiful. Polished to 2000 grit. The shop lighting's a little tough on this one also, but I think you get the idea. It's a beauty. Thanks for having a look. We're at www.ancientwood.com.